So in this video I'm going to talk about a little bit about Excel. So basically Excel is a software that is created by Microsoft, the giant tech company. So let's start with the beginning. So introductory course in Excel, beginner course in Excel, Excel for actuary, statistician, business and political science major student. Okay, and yeah, the instructor for the course is Kone. So what is Microsoft Excel? So Microsoft Excel is a software developed by Microsoft for Windows, Mac, Android and iOS. So you have a phone version, you have a tablet version, you have a computer version. It's basically an electronic document in which data is arranged in rows and columns of grids and can be manipulated and used in calculations. So this electronic document is called a spreadsheet. In French we call it un tableur. A spreadsheet contains tables in which calculations are performed using formulas and or functions. The data contained in these tables are often numerical, but they can also be categorical. So you can have like as data like string of character strings, meaning that names and things like that. We may also have dates, January 7, 2019, for instance. So a spreadsheet can generally also be used to produce graphs. So with Excel you can create graphs for visualization. It is intended, a spreadsheet is intended to manipulate data organized in grids formed of rows and columns. So the Excel software is therefore the ideal tool for applications requiring repetitive calculations or requiring the encoding of elaborate formulas. So if you have a calculation that is being repeated very often, you may need to use Excel. If you want to present the next one, the second bullet point, a presentation of data ordered in rows and columns. So if you need to present data in terms of rows and columns, you may want to use Excel. If you want to produce graphics of data, then you may need to use Excel. If you have data, you want to sort it, order the values, or you want to clean it, you may want to use Excel. And if you want to do some very basic statistical analysis, you may want to use Excel. So who uses Excel? That's a good question. So Excel is used by the following professionals: statisticians, accountants, financial analysts, data analysts, data analytic managers, data scientists, business analysts, actuaries and risk management professionals, administrative assistants, project managers, business operation managers, managers in general, and any profession involving the manipulation of data. So these are the people who are actually using Excel. So you'll notice that Excel is very popular. So here we may be interested in, okay, I'm learning Excel, but what the type of companies here who can hire me using if I do know Excel? So in Cote d'Ivoire, companies requiring the use of Excel for the analyst roles are the following, just to name a few. We have Orange Cote d'Ivoire, we have MTN, we have Move Africa, we have the African Development Bank, also known as LABAD, we have Glovo, the delivery service, we have Peg Africa, we have Caterpillar, we have Cargill, we have Endeavor Mining, we have Bolloré Logistics, we have Société Générale, and we have Sunu Insurance, NCA, AXA Insurance, etc. We have the Ivorian government. In the different ministries, you may have an analyst role where you have to use Excel. And if you go to data.gov, it's a website that actually hosts data from the Ivorian government. You notice that most of the spreadsheet over there are in Excel. They are in Excel format.